how to give a final rinse at a gas station where there's a restaurant. He is pressure washing, soft washing, and we already degreased what he washed right now. And what we're going to do is we're just going to spray a little soap with a bleach mix on it. We're just going to lightly finish it off with that. So it just gives a little bit of more of the clean that we want. Plus it smells really good and it disinfects. Thanks for watching. It's a final rinse and it's a nice tip to disinfect.